Which table are we going to get this information? We need to search. Let's check supplies. This one has the unit price. It has the supplier ID. So we can use only this table because all the information are here. The first thing it asks us to get, we're going to get the supplier ID. But you can see that here, it is not called supplier ID. It is called suppliers. We are going to remove the ID. The next one is the average price. That's unit price from supplies. If you have only this, you can have this as the average price. But if you are going to get the name along, you have error because you must use group by. As long as there's going to be another column along with your average, minimum, maximum, whatever, then you have to what? Include what? Group by. Group by what? Group by this that is with this guy. Because we say what? By supplier or by supplier. We treated this before now that if you have like A, B, C, D, E, C. We want to do aggregate. We have to put all the A together. How many would you have? We have 3 A's here. We put all the B together. We have only one B. We put all the C together. We have 2 C. We put all the E together. We have how many E? 2 E's. What of D? We have only 1 D. This is separating it now. You are aggregating already. Then you can now count the A, you can sum them, you can find the average. The same thing with this, the same thing with this. So now it's by supplier. Before this one is by A, by B, by D. It's by what? Supplier. So we're going to group all the suppliers together now. And if you look at this place, let me show you something. If I pull this one supplies, let me click this to arrange it for me. So what we are saying here is something like this. We are saying that we want to group these guys together. We also group this one together. We group this one together and so on and so forth. This one too will be grouped. Then we can now find the average for this, the average for this, the average for this, the average for this. What you are doing now, this is called what? Group by. Group by what? By these suppliers. Hope you understand this. That's what we are doing in this place, okay? Group by supplier. You can see the output according to what? Each supplier. And you come back here now, for instance, you see that this one remains the same because it's only one in the group. So even though you are looking for the average, the minimum, it will still remain the minimum. This one will still remain the maximum because it's alone. And if you check, it's 7082. 7082. Okay. I'll change this one to capital letter. Depends on your way of writing your SQL, or depends on you. I don't want to tell you about best practice so that I can have flexibility of doing what you want to do. If you want the system to help you to arrange it, simply click on this brush to arrange it for you like this. Depends on what you are comfortable with. Hope this was informative. Thank you for viewing.